Hey guys, welcome back to BHollisBrands. I hope y'all are having a great day out there. So I'm coming back to show you the finished product for my leather sandals that I've made out of vegetan leather. So here they are, and this pattern was template was very easy. Um, Took me a while to get it done because I stopped and started again, stopped and started again. But here are the completed sandals. They're dark brown. I use the Pro Dye dark brown color. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think, and I will see you on the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.